Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you're in your car, you tried to turn the key or press the on button, and nothing. No start, just dead silence. But you think your battery is fine. Maybe your lights come on, your radio works, but the engine, dead silent. Or maybe you even hear a click and nothing else. Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what could be wrong and what you can do right now to fix the problem in under 3 minutes. Alright, first thing, let's double check the obvious. Even though you think your battery seems okay because your lights are working, it could still be low on power under load. Headlights don't draw as much voltage as the starter, but let's assume you're sure, like you tested it, or it's brand new and the battery's good. So what next? Well, number 1, check your gear selector. If you've got an automatic, make sure the car's fully in park or neutral. Sometimes the shifter doesn't quite click into position, and the car thinks it's in gear. Try wiggling it and starting again. Actually, try holding the brake down firmly and shifting between park and neutral a few times, then attempt to start in neutral. This trick will work the majority of the time. Next, when you try to start, do you hear a single click? That's usually your starter solenoid engaging, but the motor isn't turning over. Could be a bad starter, but it could also be a stuck relay. Quick fix. If you can find your starter relay, check your fuse box under the hood. It'll be labeled. Try swapping it with another identical one, like from your horn or AC, just as a test. Another trick, tap the starter motor. If you can reach it, sometimes you can see it right under the engine. Give it a light tap with a wrench or a stick. Don't go crazy, just a little tap. The brushes inside the starter can stick, and this can get it moving just long enough to start. Now check your battery terminals. Even if the battery is good, a loose or corroded terminal can stop enough current from reaching your starter. Pop the hood, wiggle the cables. Are they tight? No? Tighten them. If there's green or white gunk, that's corrosion. Scrape it off with whatever you've got handy. Heck, even your key if you're stuck. Be careful not to short the terminals though. Oh, sorry. Actually, yeah, don't use anything metal that could bridge the terminals. My bad. Use a cloth or plastic tool if possible. Oh, last quick tip. Try a different key or your spare fob. If your car's got an immobilizer, sometimes the key chip fails or the fob battery is dead. That can stop the starter too. Alright, if you've tried all this and it still won't crank, now you're probably looking at a failed starter motor, blown fuse, bad ignition switch, or deeper wiring issue. At that point, yeah, you're going to need a mechanic or a tow. But those quick checks, they've saved a lot of people from unnecessary tows. Let me know in the comments what happened with your car. Did any of these work for you? And don't forget to like the video if it helped. It really does help the channel. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.